Hey guys, what's up? My name is Neeraj and you're watching our channel Neeraj Arora Classes. This channel is exclusively for South Indian students, and if you want to see this video in Hindi, then you can go to our main channel and let's begin this video. So guys, you are done with your costing exam and now the exam which you're going to face is income tax and GST, and this is my favorite subject and I just love this subject. So here's a small strategy for all of you. Just give me a moment. Okay guys, so first of all you should start studying GST today, and what I am thinking is, what my apprehensions are, that in question number 1 in GST you will get at least 3 to 4 numericals, and that numericals will come from chapters like ITC, exemption, and then we have valuation. So these three chapters are very important from the point of view of numericals, so please don't leave them and try to cover in detail, right? And do all the questions which are given in income in your study material. Don't leave a single question, right? So practice all the question as if you are just auditing them. Right now there is no time to write and practice. Just audit them. Just try to get the understanding that what they are doing in their study material, right? So these three chapters are very important from numerical point of view. Then coming to theory point of view, you should study registration. All the chapters are to be studied. Registration is very important. Invoice में specifically you need to study e-way bill in invoice chapter. And then we have returns. There are certain sections which are excluded from the syllabus for November 2018 in the chapter of returns, so please exclude them. Then uske baad, then next is time of supply. These are very important chapter and you will get many theory questions from this. One more type of question which I am expecting is that from exemptions you will get a question. There will be 4 transactions given and you need to understand, you need to answer that whether these transactions are taxable or not. So basically they will be asking whether these transactions are covered in the exemptions or not, right? So exemption chapter is very important. I'm expecting around 4 to 6 marks impact on your paper. ITC around I can say 4 to 6 marks on your paper, impact on your paper, right? And valuation 100% 4 marks they will be there, and it may go beyond 4 marks also, right guys? So this is the scenario. Okay, my English is not so good, but I keep on trying and I will keep on trying because I have a very good family in South India and I just love them. Mwah. Okay, if you love me then you can also say I love you, sir, but after exams. Okay, now coming back to the point. So GST is like this, and you should plan your studies in a manner that after giving costing exam you should start preparing for GST and give 5 to 6 hours to GST, not more than that, and then you can easily cover the GST syllabus in 5 to 6 hours, and today itself you have to complete your GST. Then from the next day you have to start your income tax, and in income tax consider 3 packages. Package number 1, residential status plus salary plus house property plus PGBP plus capital gain, right? Package number 2, TDS, advance tax, return of income, deduction. Package number 3, other sources, set off, clubbing, agriculture income, and basics and other miscellaneous points. So this package is very important. This will constitute approximately 30 marks in your exam, and this package again is very important. This will constitute approximately 15 marks in your exam, and this package is going to cover approximately 10 marks. This is 30 to 35, this is 15 to 20, and 15 to 20 only 15, and this is again 10 to 15. So I will say start with these chapters and be very fast, otherwise you are not going to complete your revision and this is going to cost you a lot in your exam. So it's a request that please start revising as soon as possible and complete these chapter in a very speedy manner. You have to be very efficient, right? Residential status, for example, you should take 15 minutes. Salary you should take 45 minutes. House property you should take again 15 minutes. PGP you should take 45 minutes or 1 hour, nearly 1 hour. Capital gain again 45 minutes, not more than that. I'm just telling you the benchmarks. Revise these chapters in this time only, right? Then coming to TDS, return of income, advance tax and deduction. TDS is a 10 to 15 minutes chapter. You can revise it from the practice manual. Advance tax, guys, 10 minutes, not more than 10 minutes. Return of income 10 minutes. Deduction you should give approximately 30 minutes. Then coming to these chapters, other sources is very important because you are going to see the other sources impact on the question of your first question of your income tax, that is the question of total income. Then set off, carry forward, and clubbing 10 minutes each. Agriculture income 5 minutes only, and basics 5 to 10 minutes only. So this is how you should revise your you should allocate your time for revising. It may be 5% or 10% here and there, but again these are only suggested limits, and if you are able to complete in this manner, definitely you are going to score good marks. So guys, the pattern will be like this. In income tax you will find theory questions of approximately 15 marks and numerical questions of approximately the remaining marks, that is 60 minus 15 I'm telling for new syllabus. And in GST there will be 15 marks numerical maximum and the remaining will be theory. So income tax 15 marks theory and remaining practical. GST 15 marks numerical and remaining theory. This is the way your paper is going to be structured, right guys? So start preparing. Share this video with every South Indian CA student so that they can also take advantage of whatever experience I have. And see, there is I'm not looking for any kind of benefit, because I know South Indian people are not going to buy my classes because they are totally in Hindi, and still I'm making this video because I just love my fraternity. I just want to give as much as possible till the time I'm alive, right guys? Thank you very much. Stay connected, stay ahead. Jai Hind. सीखते रहें, क्योंकि सीखना बंद तो जीतना बंद. And do subscribe this channel guys, do subscribe this channel. Bye bye, take care, I love you.